let me say just a word about Melbourne, Australia, where I spent a week this summer. I went to Limud Oz and gave about 5 lectures. I got to meet Ghil'ad Zuckerman, the linguist, and I also got to meet Frieden, who is the Yiddish vocalist for this band, Klezmania. And she was great, very welcoming, hospitable. What was most amazing about Melbourne was she took me to a dinner party with about 15 people, all of them speaking Yiddish. And she explained to me, these are all either survivors, but more so, children of survivors. The children of the survivors speak Yiddish. So, not older than me, or about my age, maybe a little older than me, but also younger than me. A large group of people. I never saw that. I didn't even see it in New York. I didn't even see it at YIVO. People complain sometimes at YIVO they don't speak Yiddish. There were stories about it yesterday, about the librarian refusing to speak Yiddish with the patrons. So there, in a way, it was a very appropriate audience. I didn't even realize when I flew to Australia that I was flying to a place, maybe the best place in the world, to do a program of Yiddish stories and klezmer music.